Once upon a time, in a small village nestled among the rolling hills, there lived a wise and revered Zen master. People from far and wide sought his guidance, eager to learn the secrets of a peaceful and enlightened existence. Many would travel for days just to hear a single word from his lips. One day, a young man arrived at the Zen master's humble abode. Filled with ambition and driven by a strong desire for success, he approached the master with a single question: "Master, how can I achieve greatness and attain all that I desire in life?" The Zen master, known for his ability to cut through the illusions of the ego, smiled and beckoned the young man to sit beside him. He spoke softly, "My dear friend, let me tell you a story. There once was a great river flowing through a lush forest. The river was filled with bountiful fish, and the forest was teeming with all sorts of creatures. Among them was a monkey who lived near the river's edge. One day, the monkey noticed that the river's abundance was gradually decreasing. Worried about his own survival, the monkey grew selfish. He decided to build a dam across the river to create a private pond just for himself. With each passing day, he hoarded more fish, reveling in his newfound wealth. The monkey had become the richest creature in the forest. However, as the river's flow diminished, so did the life it sustained. The forest grew silent, the trees withered, and the other animals suffered. The monkey, who once reveled in his riches, found himself alone and miserable. The Zen master paused, allowing the young man to absorb the essence of the story. Then he continued, "True greatness does not lie in selfish pursuits, my friend. It is not measured by the wealth one accumulates or the power one wields. True greatness is found in the interconnectedness of all beings, in the harmony of the world around us." He gently placed a hand on the young man's shoulder and spoke with compassion, "To achieve greatness, cultivate a heart of selflessness. Seek not only your own success but also the well-being and happiness of others. In that unity, you will find the abundance that nourishes not just you, but the entire tapestry of existence." The young man sat in silence, reflecting on the profound wisdom shared by the Zen master. From that day forward, he let go of his self-centered desires and embraced a path of compassion, realizing that true greatness is found in serving others and fostering harmony in the world. And so, the young man embarked on a journey, not in pursuit of personal success, but in service to humanity. In time, he discovered that the joy and fulfillment he sought had been within him all along, hidden beneath the veil of selfishness.